Hello everyone, you are welcome on Eros Overflow. Today we will see how to copy some text on clipboard using JavaScript or TypeScript in Angular. For that I am using navigator.clipboard.writeText, and this is what it is doing. It is just copying this text, and when it will copy it will console dot log copied and then text. So and also I have a button, so when I will click the button it will call the function copy to clipboard. Just reload the page, print on console. So we copied. Welcome to Eros Overflow. So here I will just paste it. Welcome to Eros Overflow. Now what I will do is I will just change the text. So something change. My name is Hare Ram, and then what I will do is I'll re- I will just print on the console, and it is printing my name is Hare Ram, and I will just go here next line I will just paste it, and it is showing that my name is Hare Ram. So this is how we can copy something on clipboard using JavaScript or TypeScript in Angular. So thanks for watching. Stay connected with Eros Overflow.